I had the privilege to take part in the logistics panel discussion, and the key takeaways for me was the industry's commitment to tackle their challenges, to talk about them. There's some difficult issues that needs to be recognized, and it is that willingness, that underlying willingness to solve it, and in the long term to be able to supply the end consumer with highly nutritious, fresh potatoes all year round at a competitive price. I think the contributions from the panel members, what came out of that was the realization that there are a lot of role players that is involved in this process, and that there's a need for collaboration on the one side, and there's another need for the ability to aggregate information and intelligence that will allow the efficiencies to flow quicker, and obviously ultimately it will enhance the consumer's experience of eating fresh potatoes.